Welcome to Abu Dhabi. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city. It is hot though. Hot, hot, hot. But I am from Miami, so it's okay. I've experienced hot weather. And it's so worth it. Right now we're in the middle of downtown, in front of the palace, on our way to the mosque. And it's one of the biggest mosques in the world, so pretty excited to see that. And why am I dressed like this? Cover head to toe, because you gotta follow the rules of the places that you go to. This place is so impressive. I haven't had a chance to vlog, but wow, I'm blown away. It's truly, truly, truly one of the most beautiful places that I've seen in my life. This place is beautiful. I'm inside the exterior portion of the museum, and I just want to show you something really quick because I have to leave. Wow.
non-Muslim, so you can come here and visit. This is not only for the Muslim, but for every people who wants to visit the mosque.
Okay, so we're finally gonna eat some real Arab food. I'm excited. So cute. So I am now on my way to the mosque. I have to wear an abaya. And it was funny because the lady said, change. And she gave me this. And she said, give me your change. So I think it was like her accent. I didn't get what she was saying, but I think what she meant is I put it over your clothes. But what I did is I pretty much stripped and I put it like over my naked body. So when I came out of the bathroom, she looked at me like she was like, what? And I'm like, you say change and give you the change. So that's what I did. And she's like, no, I meant the top only, like keep your pants. So I had to go change again. Anyway, I'm here now, so that's all that matters. But yeah, she was making fun of me and I was like, don't make fun of me, like it's not my fault, you cannot get your point across. But I changed, I'm all dressed now and I am ready to go see the mosque. So far everything looks very beautiful. So here I am at the mosque. So beautiful. We made it to the mosque. Our group has been yelled at like 4 times already. Do not sit on the floor, do not make any signs. Many rules, but you know, you gotta respect the places that you go to, so no complaints. It's a beautiful place, and you know, everybody has their own costumes and everything. So anyway, I had my hair out and they stopped me and they said put it in, which is fine. It's just it's really hot and my hair's sticking to my skin right now. I don't know how they do this, but anyway, it is beautiful. There's a lot of flowers and tulips and palms decorations on these columns right here. I don't know, I honestly can't see anything because it's so bright, but it is very beautiful indeed. And everything that you're seeing right now that's white, it's all marble from Italy, China, all over the place. And before I said that this place is, yes? Pardon?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Sorry for interruption. Is that explanation video?
Yes. I'm explaining what I'm seeing.
What is that?
He asked me what I was recording.
Ah.
I'm recording myself explaining
Okay.
the place.
Can you grab? It's okay. Okay, this for that.
I'm explaining the architecture.
No, the guy next to me, let it lane.
Pero es que estoy diciendo que esto, que las flores. Y me pone que estás así.
Sí, a mí me revisaron el teléfono.
Que me lo revisen.
A mí me lo revisaron porque me tomó una foto, o sea, así. Pero no te puedes sentar en el piso, pero no estás sentado en el piso mío para ver la foto. ¿Entiendes?
Ok.
Me dijo, el tipo me dijo, it's okay, pero no la publiques en ningún lado. Yo no, tranquilo que no la publique, yo no, ni que esté viviendo en Venezuela, pero la publicó. ¿Sabes cómo que? No, estás loco.
Voy a terminar mi video. Fuck me.
No tiene mucho plato.
So I just got interrupted again. They were asking me what I was recording, and I was explaining to them that I was describing what I was seeing and the architecture and stuff. So that's what I'm really recording. But as I was saying before, this is not the biggest mosque. I just want to clarify that. I meant to say in the United Arab Emirates or here. Everything I see is more beautiful than the previous thing I see. It's just mind-blowing how beautiful this place is, seriously. Okay, my mind's blown once again. I have to show you this. So this is one piece of fabric, only one. Look at the size of this. Look at this gentleman here and look at the size of the fabric. Wow. From this vantage point, you can see all three chandeliers. How beautiful. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Hello, hello, hello. Yes, it's me. Today's adventure will start in the desert in Dubai. We're gonna go in some quad bikes. Oh my god, I'm seeing camels right now. Hold on, I gotta show you that. Those are camels. Look at them. Look at the camels. Alright, so I got my helmet on, I got my scarf covering my face. I didn't want it, but you know how they are, and they're like, no, you need it. So I'm like, okay, sure. So I hustled them a little bit. This was 50. I got it for 40, and now we're gonna go ride some quad bikes in the desert, and it should be a lot of fun. I'm waiting for Franklin. He disappeared. I don't know where he's at. So as soon as he gets here, we're gonna get going. And yeah, so exciting. It is hot, hot, hot. It's beaming. Yes, I do have a face. I'm not hidden. I just cover up because of the heat. And this is Osama. Say hi.
Hello.
This is my guide. he's a good Osama. And yes, we are waiting to get started. So I'll show you more in a little bit.
Go. Come here. Yeah.
This is one of the best experiences of my life. What's up? Riding a quad bike in Dubai. This is the reasons why you gotta be careful. You can never trust a man. So embarrassing. This has never ever happened to me. But I was out on the quad bike. I was having so much fun, and then I started getting like feeling weird, like dizzy. And I got off the bike and I was shaking, and I felt like I was gonna pass out. And I was like all dizzy, and like I was like shaking, and I just sat there and I started getting like so dizzy, and I just took a bunch of water, which is, I guess you're not supposed to do all at once. And then like all of these guys started like coming up to me and like, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? I guess I looked like I was about to pass out. So they brought me into like a air-conditioned room, and they put this on my neck and water. This is like frozen water, and they put me on heat stroke alarm or watch. And then they brought like the director of like the company, and he started talking to me, and he's like, are you okay? Like, we gotta keep you on a watch because if you pass out, this and that, we want to lay you down and put your feet up. And I was so embarrassed. I was like, no, I'm okay. But I do feel better now. Osama was saying that he didn't think I was gonna be the one fainting because apparently he thinks I'm the strongest one. Embarrassing. The other victim is a little child.
Okay, I'm okay right now.
Oh my God.
Daniela and Franco, there is a little secret I would like to share it up with you. I shared it already with the guys.
Why do you think I'm holding it? I don't have driver license.
No, I have, but I got it really today. Who drives like this back home? Mommy or daddy? Mom. What's up with you, mommy? What's wrong with you? You should be rolling an example in this family. Sorry, Daniela. Sorry. Ay.
Oh, it's a big
Excelente.
my gosh.
Not bad.
Not
Not bad for my second day. To grow up, be a doctor. Don't be like Uncle Osama. Sorry. I hope you are not putting a live forecast, okay? To Venezuela. No. Right? Yeah. No food, no sodas, only water inside the car.
A lot of these cars, like cars,